Hi guys, it's Mina. Welcome back. We're going to do a quick straight pour for you today. I have some paint that I mixed up last night that I used for another project that you guys will see on Sunday. Super exciting teaser right here. We're going to do a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas. This is from Artist Loft. I have taped the back and put my giant push pins in. I will link them for you in the description box. Please check out the description box. There's a whole bunch of useful links in there for all the stuff that I use. So, colors. Okay, this is Golden Turquoise Phthalo, nice and thick, leaving a mound on a mound. My paint is all mixed with Liquitex gloss medium and paint and some Floetrol. The next one we have is Arteza's Turquoise, which is a beautiful color, and I really like the contrast between these two. That's very cool. And then we also have Arteza's SeaGreen, to which I have added a little bit of this Golden's Turquoise and some 24 karat gold just to deepen it up a bit. So that's really pretty. That's the SeaGreen. And I have their Pistachio as well. So we have Pistachio, Turquoise, and SeaGreen. And I have my DecoArt DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. And we have some Pearl Marmalade, also from Arteza. Beautiful stuff. So I also have 2 cups of Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. One is for our pour and one is for our base coat flow extender. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to layer our cup. Okay, I want to start with, let's see, do I want to do a dirty cup or a layered cup? Let's do a dirty cup. I haven't done a dirty cup in a while. Okay, so we're going to put a layer of black in the bottom. And let's start with some turquoise from up high into the center. For this size canvas, we need about 21 ounces of paint. This is a 16-ounce cup, so we may need a few more ounces, but maybe not. Okay, now I'm going to put some gold in from up high. And see how it's sinking? That's what you want. Now we're going to go into some pistachio. And some of that really pretty sea green. I really like this color a lot. And let's put some gold in again. This is one of the most fascinating things to me about pouring, is that you can create what essentially looks like just a cup of black, but all these colors will come through as we pour it. All right, put some more of our darker turquoise in there. Okay, I don't know what's keeping me from using this, but let's put some of this into the Pearl Marmalade. Okay, I hope it doesn't get weird. That's really cool on top. Okay, so get rid of that. Move that over. I'm going to put down a puddle of gold in the center. And we're going to pour our cup. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
I am indeed.
Okay, here we go. Straight pour from up high. I'm going to give the cup a twirl side to side a little bit. We're going to catch that drip. Okay. Okay, so that's pretty cool. We'll see what happens with that center. So let's turn this. We're going to put a thin little bit of gold around it, the same consistency as everything else. Because what's going to happen is it's going to roll over this gold as we start to tilt it and give us some really pretty gold cells if they want to. Okay. Let's see. It's a bit thinner. We're going to just add a little bit more water to this to thin it out a bit more. You want your flow extender thinner than the paint that you've just poured on the canvas. That's good. Sinking. Let's move these out of the way. You know, I don't really like that center. I think I would just want to pour a little bit more in there. I'm going to use the same cup I was using. I'm going to put some turquoise in. And some of the light turquoise. A little bit of the sea green. Some gold. And go back to the dark turquoise again. So that's about 6 ounces probably. Alright, let's pour that first, and then we'll do our base, our flow center. Alright, you ready? Right into the center. Here we go. From up high, and I'm going to catch the drip before I can do that weird thing. There. That's better. Okay, now, flow extender around the outside. Some in our corners. Okay, I'm going to spread that out real quick. Alright, that's pretty good. Put a little bit on our sides. They're not completely bare. I don't usually do this unless it's black. With the black canvas, you don't want white peeking through. So just put down a little bit of paint for your paint that rolls over and slides off the corners to have something to grab onto. Okay, this is looking pretty good. Let's torch it. Interesting because the center is going to be a lot brighter because there wasn't as much black, but we still got a little bit of black in the middle. Okay, are you ready? Okay, let's go that way first. Sorry about the jackhammer. Somebody's doing some construction. See how it's rolling over? No, it's not rolling over the gold. It's supposed to roll over the gold, but it's not. That's okay. It will. Come back down towards the middle again. We're going to walk it down to that corner. And see how I'm going side to side? I'm not just holding it straight. You want to... We're going to go off that edge right there. Come back to the center one more time. I think we are going to go off that edge this time. Just because I don't like that triangle that we've created right there. There we go. Bring it back to the middle again. And then we're going to go down off that side. What?
This way. There.
Get down off that last corner. Go in composition a little bit now. Weird, this was up at that corner, wasn't it? Okay. I actually like the outside edges of this a lot. I'm not real crazy about the center. So let's take a page from our friend Gail Burston and our palette knife and just do some schmears. Okay. I'm just going to go through here. Take that out. And I dripped over here, so we're going to make this a line too. Connecting that. Let's come down this way as well. That's pretty neat. I'm going to take it down. I'm not so crazy about this part, so I'm going to let this roll that way. So a lot of paint moving on here, so. Just a little bit. See a drip over here. Just gonna run our palette knife through that, following the natural line. Take a little bit more off of that bottom corner there, because the paint's still moving pretty quick. Wipe my hands off real quick, and then we're going to torch this. Alright. Cavern or a cave. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. I think I want to add a couple of more Shmears in there. Give it a little bit more continuity. Not so crazy about this edge right there. Okay. I love this that's happening. That's really cool. Not so crazy about this, but that's the straight pour with the black, and you see all the layers. So I'm not actually going to change it. I'm going to leave that there. I guess I didn't put much of the pearl marmalade in, so there's just a little bit showing up on the corners. But it's cool. I like this. I like that. Give it one more torch, and I think we're going to be done. I see a figure, a lady. I see her head and her body and her legs. Like a dancer. That's pretty cool. Okay, I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us, and be sure to check us out on Sunday. Huge surprise for you guys. So we'll see you soon. So here's our dancer a couple of days later. That's really cool. I really like this piece a lot. Sorry, it's not completely dry yet. The center is still very wet. But I love this piece. I really like that little figure in the center with her arms going up and her legs. It's just so pretty to me. She's beautiful. So this was our straight pour with our dirty cup. And the dirty cup part is really out here. You see all these beautiful full line. Sorry, it's really hard for me to see what I'm filming. This is bright sun. But really, really pretty, beautiful effects. A leaf just landed in it. So this is our tiny dancer. She's really beautiful though. This was a 24 by 24, and we used Golden's turquoise and the Arteza turquoise and the Pistachio. Very cool. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider subscribing. And we will see you for the next one. Have a beautiful day. Bye-bye.